like I said, if you are a vapor or e-cigarette user, this is really important for you. So let's get into this video. It says the United States have recorded its first death from the use of e-cigarettes and other such devices commonly referred to as vaping. Health officials have confirmed. I knew that this was only a matter of time. The death of Chicago patient who developed a severe respiratory disease due to vaping comes as experts investigate a mystery lung disease across the US that is linked to the use of e-cigarettes. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, 193 potential cases have been identified in 22 out of the 50 US states. The cause of the mystery illness has not been identified, but all involve vaping in some form. A lot of times when I do these videos, people don't believe me or think I'm lying or something. Like, I have no reason to lie, okay? And a lot of these come from CDC pages or credible news sites. It says many of the cases involve vaping TCH, the main active compound in cannabis, and were reported between June and August, the CDC said. So, you know, June and August, everybody off of work, on vacation, they're doing it up, they're living it up, okay, smoking, hot girl summer, anyone, city boy summer, anyone, here? Well, no one will have long candidates. Anyways, it says, Dr. Jennifer Layden, Chief Medical Officer and State Epidemiologist in Illinois, said the person who died was hospitalized with unexplained illness after reported vaping or e-cigarette use. Head of non-infectious disease at the CDC, Dr. Leland Aries, revealed that majority of the persons afflicted with this mystery disease have acknowledged recent use of the TCH containing product. Coughing, shortness of breath, fatigue, and in some cases vomiting and diarrhea are common symptoms among those affected, the CDC said. So if you are a avid e-cigarette user or avid vapor, okay, whether recreational or personal use, and you're forming any of these symptoms, I would suggest you go to a doctor and tell them about what you're experiencing. It says there is no such evidence of an infectious disease such as a virus or bacteria being responsible, Aris insisted. However, she acknowledged that a lot of things about the disease remain a mystery. It isn't clear if these cases have common cause or if they are different diseases with similar presentation. There have been 22 cases in the state of Illinois with patients ranging from 17 years old to 38 years old. So that gap is very wide of people that like to use e-cigarettes or like to vape. And a lot of people are doing now recreationally. They have vaping, hookah lounges, and all that stuff. The 22 states affected are largely in the center and northeast of the country, from Minnesota to North Carolina, though cases have also been reported in California, Texas, and New Mexico. Officials have ordered laboratory tests of vaping liquid samples in a bid to identify any harmful compounds. Okay, so there you have it. Vaping and e-cigarette have been linked to a death in somebody in the US. Their first death that is linked to the use of e-cigarettes and vaping. So if you were a vapor e-cigarette user, I would be careful, okay? This is a new disease that no one knows why it's happening, how it's affecting the body, what medication can use to stop it. So please be careful, especially young people that now do the whole hookah thing, and it's now a social thing to smoke. The respiratory system is not made to store smoke. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.